Good evening, everyone. What if I tell you that love can increase your revenue and improve your RGI? Sounds delusional, right? But here's the thing. Real results come from genuine connection, authenticity, and a commitment to our people and our purpose. We saw a 20% increase in revenue across the board last year, and other great numbers you can see on the screen. Not because we focused solely on the numbers, but because we focused on creating value in every interaction. Hi, my name is Julia. I'm Director of Sales at Radisson Red Dubai and a marathon runner, and I'm here to talk to you about love and purpose. Numbers can't stand alone. They need real connection to give them meaning. Our story of success is about people. It is about our front desk supervisor, Anthony, who worked 48 hours straight with no sleep during recent floods. It's about our head chef, Thierry, who always finds a way to say, yes, I can, to almost any request, no matter budget or demand. And it all began with our dear GM Stuart, who through our 5-year journey keep repeating, living, and believing his own mantra, I am only as good as you guys. These are stories that drive our success. As the legendary coach Jose Mourinho once said, you're not going to teach Ronaldo how to take a free kick or Ibra how to hold a ball in his chest. You're going to teach them how to play football in that team. Similarly, we build an environment where everyone's strengths can shine for the benefit of all. Our success in 2023 started in 2022 by assessing our strengths and looking for new ideas to grow every revenue stream. It is about being visible, staying relevant, and keeping our offers fresh and genuine. As a sales team, we don't run floors in business centers. We run Google Scrap of data and learn client profiles using the power of AI and LinkedIn. Creativity and innovation are key. Dr. Maya Angelou once said, you can't say, do not do as I do, but do as I say. In other words, as a leader, you can't fake it. When we ask, how are you? Do you really mean it, or do you expect a polite, I am fine? Authenticity is everything. As the greatest selling technique of all times is to listen. I leave you with these words. People is our biggest investment. Trust is our greatest commitment. Performance is our boldest impact. And love? Love encompasses and unites all these aspects of success, hence love is our greatest achievement. And that is what Who Mantra 2.0 stands for me. Thank you.